I just got back from my PT and I am so hungry. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to try Henry's Suman Balanghoy. Let's see it. Let's see it.
I need to cool off.
OMG. Okay, open it, open it.
Wala pa. Pero ito, luto na to sa taas.
Ay! Ay! My gosh. Ang sarap. Give me some.
Ito mas masarap yung medyo mainit.
Give me some, please. I'm so hungry. Oh, so hot. Sarap naman. Ay! Okay, put some mantikilya. Oh my gosh, star margarine pa yan, ha?
Clear tayo your food.
May pa-star pa siya. Okay, let's try it again.
I-video kita.
Okay, video mo. Okay, we're gonna try it for the first time. Ang Suman Balanghoy ni Henry.
Hatiin mo sa gitna para
with
makita yung...
Oh yeah, that's right.
makita
I
yung
forgot.
buko.
May something pala in the middle. Oh my gosh. There is... Oh! Oh! Meron siyang bukayo. Okay.
Tapos yung food dyan.
It's so good! OMG! Ano pangalan ko? What is my name? I can't remember my name.
Thank you.
Ang sarap! Simple lang siya.
Yep.
And then the margarine, oh my gosh. Lakay. Ang gwapo level mo, ang taas na naman.
Plus 100 points na naman.
Yan. 1,000 points. Oh my God.
Masarap yan sa...
Maan tayong kakapsat, kakaruba, gagayam.
Tatay.
Salamat, walang ano man.
Thank you.
Mm.